How are you guys doing today? This is Felonious Bitcoin here. I'm just giving you guys an update for my Candid Co clear aligner treatment. I'm on trays number 10 and I'm switching up to trays number 11 today on camera for you guys. The best audience anyone could ever ask for. I appreciate you guys following me, my treatment plan. You guys have given me nothing but encouragement the whole way. And I have 3 steps left after this, guys. Only 3 steps. So, yeah, after I get to tray number 11, that's it. I got 12, 13, and 14, and that's it. There's no more after that. But I will continue to give you guys updates after my treatment is over. And I mean, it's been nothing short of life-changing since the beginning. It really has. I can't stop thanking Candid Co for their support. I can't stop thanking you guys for your continued encouragement and support. Yeah, so let me just get right into this. This is trays number 11 right here in the bag. I'm going to take them out and put these in. And before I do that, I'm going to just, give you guys like an update on how I've been feeling about it. Trays number 10, it's been pretty steady. No problems, nothing at all. I've gotten compliments for having straight teeth. And before I put these in, I just want you guys to know that, like, when I first started treatment, when I did my unboxing video, people weren't believing it, you know what I mean? Just as I wasn't at one point, I was watching, things on YouTube, videos about Candid and other companies that offer similar products at subpar, results. I'm not going to name names here, but yeah, but anyways, yeah, Candid Co has been fantastic for me, guys. People, in the beginning they were saying, oh, it's a scam, it doesn't work, it's a waste of money, blah, blah, blah. And then on the opposite side of that, people were saying, oh yeah, I've done treatment and it works, So when I did my diligence, I looked into the company and I saw that they were honest and transparent in their treatment plans, and their treatment plan is nothing short of comprehensive and easy to understand, as opposed to these other companies out there. They have really good marketing gimmicks, they spend all kinds of money on advertising, but that's not what you're after. You're not after who can advertise the best, right? You're going after who can offer the best results for your money, and that's what I'm going after, and that's what I've done. And that's exactly why I make these videos. I've said before, and I'll say it again, I'm not getting paid by Candid to make these videos. This is on my own time. I'm not getting paid to do any of this stuff. I saw that this stuff, the aligners that they offer, they're professionally made and they offer safe results, over an extended period of time. So, I mean, like I said before, if you guys go with Candid, you won't be sorry, and I'm absolutely certain of that at this point, because you guys can see from my own treatment. If you guys go back and you look through all my other videos, watch my treatment plan from beginning to end, and then you'll see where I'm at now as opposed to where I started at. My teeth were really crooked. In the unboxing video, I show you guys I had like teeth that were really out of place and everything. But it's been a fantastic journey so far. I've gotten compliments. I'm so happy overall, you know what I mean, with everything, the price. And I literally put my money where my mouth is. You know what I mean? That's what I did. And, I'm practicing what I preach, and I encourage other people to do the same thing. There's no lie to any of this stuff, guys. So I know that there's a couple of people out there that follow my videos that have started treatment solely on my videos, on watching my treatment plan and how I progressed. And I urge other people to look into this stuff just as I did. That way you'll see that the results are there. You're going to get a comprehensive treatment plan that's easy to understand. And it's going to be overseen by a professional orthodontist and not just some, hack. You know what I mean? So why not do this from the comfort of your own home? You know, I'm not saying don't get checked up by a dentist, because you absolutely should be getting checked up by a dentist. But on the flip side of that, you don't want to be going into an orthodontist's office spending upwards of $6,000 to $8,000 just to have straight teeth for a similar treatment plan. You know what I mean? That you're going to get exactly the same thing for a third of the money when you go with Candid. So again, that's why I advocate for Candid, and you know, I'm going to keep on doing that. I am so happy with their treatment plan, guys, and I'm going to keep on saying that. And you guys, I seriously can't stop thanking you guys for your encouragement, your support, your comments, you guys checking out my videos. And I've been hearing from a couple of people that they haven't been really they haven't been getting my updated videos. So you want to make sure you hit that little bell at the bottom. That way it lets you know when a new video comes out. You know, you get a notification for it. So definitely hit that little bell. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos. You guys are fantastic. And you know, I don't shun away from anybody that decides to comment. Anyone that's a non-believer, I was totally on your side of the fence at one point. But after seeing, you know, looking into this company and doing it myself, I'm showing you right now that this is legit. So here we go. Trays number 11. I'm gonna put them in right now for you guys, and I'm gonna take these ones out real quick. So 1 second. So these are my teeth without the trays in after tray number 10. All right, here we go. So I mean, I hope you guys are enjoying my progress. I definitely am. Everyone that I come across, you know, in public that I know personally, they've commented on how straight my teeth have gotten and how much whiter they are than they were at the beginning of my treatment. So yeah, guys, again, you can't go wrong using Candid. You can use my testimony as proof of that. So here we go. Trays number 11, bottom set. I'm just going to show you guys them real quick so you can see how they're looking. Pretty straight, right? I mean, I only have 3 steps left after this, guys, and that's it. But I will continue to make update videos for you guys, probably at 1 month intervals. You know, I said before that I'd be making them at, like, you know, 3 month intervals, but you know, Candid did partner up with me. They sponsored my treatment, and you know, I can't be thankful enough. And I mean, this is just one way that I can thank them. I'm not getting paid to do these videos. I don't have to do these videos. So this is on my own time, and I want you guys to see that this stuff does work. Look, check this out. Look at how straight that is, guys. I mean, come on now. I mean, you can't argue with these results. You just can't. And they move teeth at a slow enough pace where it's safe, and you don't have anything to worry about. Your teeth aren't gonna fall out. You know what I mean? It's just this. It's basically the same thing that Invisalign offers, but at a fraction of the cost. You know. And this is my top set for tray number 11. Again, pretty damn straight, right? So I'm gonna put in the bottom set first because these ones are always the worst. So here we go, trays number 11, Candid Co clear aligner treatment, and here we go. On these tray sets, it's moving my teeth out on the side. You know what I mean? On the sides. I can feel the pressure right now. It's uncomfortable, but it's not really that painful at this point. You know what I mean? So here we go. Here's the top set. they're really they're you know, a little bit loose, so I have to work them in a little bit. But yeah, guys, I have nothing bad to say. I mean, there's a little bit of discomfort when you switch the trays out, but that's pretty much it. For trays number 10, it wasn't really all that uncomfortable throughout the duration of the 2 weeks that I had to wear them. But you know, when I first put them in, you know, like I said right now, there's a little bit of pressure, but that subsides after like a day or two. But again, your initial tray set before, like when you first initially start treatment, that's when you're going to feel the most pain, because your teeth haven't moved at all in years, or however long it's been since you last wore braces, if you even wore them at all. So yeah, with your initial tray set, you're going to feel a little bit of discomfort, you're going to feel a little bit of pain, but that goes away after like 3 days. And you know, you'll feel a little bit of pressure, discomfort when you switch the trays out every 2 weeks. And again, guys, it's very important that you wear these things for 22 hours a day, as directed by your orthodontist that Candid Co, you know, lays out for you. And again, you guys will have excellent results, just as I have. And thank you, guys. Again, please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please hit the little bell so you stay notified when my new videos come out. And please, guys, keep up the encouragement. I really, really appreciate it. You guys have been nothing short of amazing, fantastic, and your support has not gone unnoticed. I swear to you, it hasn't. So thank you, guys. And, you know, keep spreading the word. Let people know that this is legit and it does work. And yeah, here's my teeth with the trays in, guys. Sorry, I was going off there. Here. I mean, if you guys can, check out my unboxing video. You know, you guys will see in that video how my teeth were in the beginning of this, you know, and then compare it, like, you know, do a still shot of each one, right? Do a still shot of my unboxing where I'm showing my teeth, like take your screenshot or photo of it, and then compare it to my teeth where I'm showing you now. And you guys will definitely be, you know, blown away by the results so far. I mean, it's been about, I want to say 5.5 months, and my teeth are pretty much completely straight. And I haven't had any problems at all. I haven't had any sensitivity issues. I haven't had any, you know, pain or anything like that. It's been a really smooth journey. And it's almost at its end. So I want you guys to definitely look into this. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me, reach out to Candid. They'd be more than happy to help you guys. I swear they would. They get back to you guys in a timely manner. They're very professional with everybody that they talk to. Even if you're not a Candid patient, they'll still talk to you as in a professional manner. And their response time is, you can't beat it. You just can't. But anyways, guys, this is Felonious Bitcoin. My name is Matt. I'm going to leave my email down in the description.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.